what are the possible solutions of the absolute value of x minus 4 close minus 4 close equals 5? All right, so this is a lot, right? Definitely want to take care of this problem very carefully. The answer here is 13 and negative 5. So let me go ahead and show you how to get this done. So first things first, when it comes to absolute value equations, what you want to know is that if you are going ahead and saying, hey, absolute value of x equals, let's say 5, well, remember, the absolute value function, it turns anything negative positive, and if it's already positive, it keeps it positive. So essentially, what we can insert in for x, it can be 5, or it could be negative 5. Because at the end of the day, when we apply the absolute value function, it'll turn out positive regardless. So by saying that, what I want you to understand is that you can split this equation up into two equations. You can definitely do that. And I'm going to do that right now. So what I mean is the entirety of that inside absolute value. So there's the outside sticks there, the outside absolute value. Everything inside of that absolute value, again, it can result in positive or negative 5. Just like that. And we can go ahead now and solve these equations and see what x's would make this true. So I'll start here on the left side. What I can do is I can add 4 to both sides, giving me the absolute value of x minus 4 equals positive 9. But here we are again, right? Now we're in the same situation. So we'll apply the same technique. What we'll do is we will state that x minus 4 can result in 9, because if this is 9, then the absolute value of 9 is still 9. And we can also set the x minus 4 equal to negative 9. Because again, if this is negative 9, then the absolute value of it will still result in positive 9. So that's the point there. So here we are, and now let's solve by adding 4 on both sides, giving us x equals 13. So we have 13 here. That's why 13 is one of the answers. And then here we'll add 4 to both sides, and we'll receive x equals negative 5. So again, if we insert either of those values for x into our equation, we will see 5 is the answer. So try it out. And now we're looking at the right side over here, and we're saying, hey, okay, let's solve this one now. So we'll add 4 to both sides, and we'll receive the absolute value of x minus 4 equals now negative 1. Now, we cannot proceed here. We cannot, and here's why. We can't proceed because, remember, no matter what, the absolute value symbol will make whatever's on the inside positive. So if it's 0, it'll stay 0, obviously. But when we have a negative number, it'll make it positive. If it's already positive, it'll stay positive. What I'm saying is, there's no way that we can take the absolute value and then receive a negative number. So on this side here, there is no solution. There's no solution to this one. So we can only go with the solutions that we found going the other route. But had we found more solutions here, those would have been additional answers wherever they were. But we weren't able to proceed here because, again, there's a flaw, there's an error that doesn't exist. You cannot take the absolute value of something and receive a negative number. So hopefully I'll give you some insight there. Hopefully we are a little more confident and a little better equipped. Remember to keep trying these problems, and remember to keep building that confidence. We're here for you all the way. Let's get cracking.